everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir, and today I will be teaching you standard 8 maths, and in maths today we will see chapter number 11, that is statistics. In statistics today we will see percentage bar graph. Dear students, yesterday I have taught you subdivided bar graph. What was the subdivided bar graph? Okay, suppose the bar was like this, but it was divided into two separate parts. Okay, one part was filled and the remaining part was empty. So this kind of bar, if you will see, it is subdivided bar graph. Okay, in subdivided bar graph, what we have done, we have just copied the table first. Okay, and then we increased one row at the last as a total. Okay, first we copied the table as it is, then we increase the first one row as a total at the last, then we have done the totaling of the each column. Yes, according to that total we have drawn bars. Okay, if suppose the total of first row is 50, so we draw a bar till 50. If suppose the second column total is 75, so we draw the bar till 75. Okay, and then according to the separation boys and girls, or according to separation men women, we have divided the bar. Okay, we have only filled the one part and the remaining part we left over for the another topic. Is it clear? So that was subdivided bar graph. Okay, today I will explain you what is percentage bar graph. In percentage bar graph, remember, we always take the percentage from 100. It means every bar should be till we should draw the bar till 100. Every bar 100. Why? Because we are drawing percentage bar graph, and percentage we take out from 100 only. Therefore, we will draw the bar, all the bars till 100, and you can see in scale as well there is a symbol of percentage. So if you will see all bars till 100 and you will see in scale there is a symbol of percentage, you should quickly understand this bar is a percentage bar graph. Okay, now see how to solve this. My dear students, suppose this is an example. Draw the percentage bar graph for this given data. Okay, so what you will do, first you will copy the table and you will increase here 2 rows. Okay, you will increase here 2 rows. Why? Because you want to show the percentage of two things. Okay, see here, I will copy the table till here, then these 2 rows I have increased because I want to find the percentage, how many number of percentage are survived trees and how many unsurvived. Okay, so what you will do, this total you will write below. See, total you will write below, and number trees survived you will write above. Okay, see, total you will write below 75, and from that 75 how many trees are survived? 45. The total trees 90, and how many trees are survived? 45. Okay, so total you will write down and the mention number you will write above. Okay, numerator. But here you have to find the percentage of survived trees. How many trees are survived? How many trees are still alive? So you will find the percentage below the table. You will find the percentage below the table, and then you will write here how much percentage you got. See, the first I will take over here. It is 42 upon 60 multiplied by 100. So what I will do here, see, 1010 will get cancelled, right? You can solve as per your understanding. See, 6 ones are 6. 6 how much? 42. 6 sevens are 42. So what is left? 7 multiplied by 10. Answer is how much? 70%. So what I will write over here, after solving I will write here 70. So 70 trees are survived. It means how much trees are unsurvived? 100 minus 70 is equals to 30. The remaining part. Is it clear? Now see the second one, you will take, see, total you will write below and the number you will write above. Okay, bigger number down, smaller number up. 75, okay, 45 upon 75 multiply by 100. So you will divide it as per your understanding. See, I will take here 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. Now I will multiply this. I will divide 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 remain. 3 5s are 15. So what is remain from up? 15 multiplied by 4. So it is 15 4s are 60%. So what I will write here? I will write here 60. So 60, now 60% trees are surviving. Then how many number of trees are unsurviving? 100 minus 60 gone. So how much will remain? 40. Is it clear? Now I will solve this. Bigger number down, smaller number up. For the percentage bar graph, see it is 45 upon 90 multiplied by 100. Okay. See, I will, as per my understanding, I will cut the 0 0 first. Okay. Then here 9 ones are 9, 9 5s are 45. So what is remain? 5 multiplied by 10. It is 50%. How much? 50. So I will write here 50. So 50% trees are surviving. It means how much number of trees are unsurviving? 50% only. 50, 100 minus 50, 50. Okay. So these two rows which we have increased, how many percentage trees are surviving? How much percentage trees are unsurviving? So here we will solve. Here we no need to solve. We will do the subtraction from 100 because we find the percentage from 100 only. Okay. So after solving this, you have to solve below the table. Okay. Again and again I am saying you have to solve this percentage and then you have to fill in the boxes. And the second one you will just subtract from 100. Second one you don't have to solve. You have to just subtract from 100. Okay. Now this is, I will draw a percentage bar graph. How? I will draw x-axis horizontal, I will draw y-axis vertical. I will take 1 centimeter is equals to 10% trees or 10% whatever will mention here, students, 10% fruits, whatever. So you will take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All bars you will draw till 100 only because it is a percentage bar graph. So सारे बार आप 100 तक ही ड्रॉ करेंगे and then according to 1 you will solve. See, number of trees in Aravi survived 70. So you will go till 70 and you will feel, okay, you will show over here one box is, it is survived trees, and the empty box means unsurvived. Okay, unsurvived. So first in RV 70% trees are surviving. It means the rest, that is 30% trees unsurvived. Okay. Now see, in Morshi 60% trees are surviving. Morshi 60%. So you will take 60% here. You will fill here the 60%. The remaining percentage 40 for unsurviving. See, in Barshi 50% trees are surviving. So you will take mark till 50. Okay. 50% and the remaining 50% for unsurviving. So this is how you have to draw percentage bar graph. I hope you understood. First you will copy the table as it is. 2 rows you will increase. One for percentage, how much percentage surviving, and how much, second one, how much percentage unsurviving. But we will solve the first row only. Second row you will just subtract from 100. You will subtract from 100. Here you will see the bigger number you will take down, the smaller number you will take up, multiply by 100 because you are finding the percentage. You will find the percentage below the table and then you will fill the table and then you will draw the percentage bar graph. You will identify the percentage bar graph by its height. All the bars are of 100, 100, 100. Is it clear? It means it is a percentage bar graph. Or you can see the symbol here of percentage. Then also you will say this is a percentage bar graph. I hope you understood how to solve this. So dear students, after the example of percentage bar graph, we will start the practice set 11.3 and the question number 1 is all about draw percentage bar graph. So let me tell you one thing, percentage bar graph, how you will draw the graph. You will draw y-axis, x-axis, and all the bars you will draw till 100 only because we take out percentage from 100. Is it clear? So all the height of the bar will be 100, 100, 100. Is it clear? And then according to the calculation you will fill the one part, the remaining part will be for the another topic. Is it clear? Just look at the board. See, The question number 1 is show the following information by a percentage bar graph. So this is a question table division of standard 8. I have used short forms because of the lack of space on the board. You will write the full form. See, division of standard 8, A, B, C, D. There are 4 divisions. Number of students securing grade A, from A division 45, from B division 33, from C 10, from D 15. And total number of students are given. In A class there are 60 students. From 60, 45 have secured A grade. In B class 55 total number of students. From 55, 33 secured A grade. In C 40 students. From that 40, 10 students secured A grade. In D 75 students are there. From 75, 15 have secured A grade. Now this is the question and we have to draw a percentage bar graph. I don't have a space to draw a percentage bar graph, but I will explain it. You will draw in your graph book only. See here. First I will copy the table in answer solution. I will copy the question. Okay. Till here. Number of students. 2 rows I will increase. Means you will increase. Students will increase 2 rows. Why? Because here given number of students securing grade A. Number of students securing grade A. So you should know how much percentage number of students securing grade A. See here, percentage of students securing grade A. The next column will be percentage of remaining students. It means from that 60, if 45 students are securing grade A, it means how much percentage students have secured grade A, and the remaining percentage will be for the other students who does not secure grade A, okay, who did not secure grade A. So we will solve one by one. See, as I have solved, 2 rows you will increase. In first row you will write percentage of students securing grade A. In second row you will write percentage of remaining students who did not secure grade A, means who secured B, C or D. Okay, so here how to find the percentage? Bigger number down, smaller number up, multiply by hundreds. From 60, 45 have secured. So from 60, 45 students secured grade A, multiply by 100. That answer you will solve below the table, okay, or below the table, and then you will fill the table. I am telling again and again, you will solve this separately below the table or next page, and then you will fill the table. Is it clear? Then we will solve the first A division column, that is 60. From 60, 45 students have secured the A grade. I will cut this, okay, 0 will get cancelled. Now what I will do here, see, it is 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15. So the answer remain 15 upon 2 multiply by 10. Okay. Now I will cut this. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So what is remain? 15 multiply by 5. That is 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 into 75. It means 15 5s are 75 percentage. So here it comes 75. Okay. It means 75 percentage students have secured grade A. So how much percentage does not secure grade A? 100 minus 75 is equals to 25. Is it clear? Now we will solve the B one. See, total number of students 55 and 33 have secured the A grade. So 55 may say 33 multiply by 100. So you will solve here. See, I will solve this. 11 3s are 33, 11 5s are 55. Then I will use this 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0. Then what is remain? 3 multiplied by 20. 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6. How much percentage? 60 percentage. So I will write here 60. So 60 percentage have secured A grade. It means how much percentage did not secure A grade? 40. 100 minus 60, answer comes 40. Now I will solve C division. From 40, 10 students have secured A grade. So 40 below and 10 above. So it will divide. See, it is very much easy. See here, 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are 40, 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. So answer will come 25 percentage. Is it clear? 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are 40 and 4 25s are 100. So how much percentage? 25 percentage. So 25 percentage secured A grade. It means 75 percentage did not secured A grade. Okay. Now the D division. See, 75 from 75, only 15 students have secured A grade. So you will find the percentage. See, I will divide it by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 2 remain. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now it is 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 zeros are 0. So answer is 20%. I hope you understood here how to solve this. So I got here 20%. It means 100 minus 20. Remaining 80% students did not secure A grade. I hope you understood how to solve the percentage. Now you will draw a percentage bar graph, right? You will draw a percentage bar graph. You will draw x-axis, y-axis, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. All bars you will draw till 100, and then you will show these ratios on that bar graph, right? Suppose first 75, so you will fill 75 till 75, you will fill the rest 25 for the remaining. Second bar you will fill till 60, the rest 40 for the remaining. Third bar you will fill till 25, 20 and 30 between there is a 25, so you will fill 25, the rest for 75. The 20% you will fill for the students who secured grade A, and the remaining 80% you will leave empty for the students who did not secure grade A. So this is how you have to draw the percentage bar graph. I hope you understood here. So now after question number 1, we will see the question number 2. Here we have to observe the graph only. We don't have to draw. Okay, only observe and write the questions, write the answer of the given questions. Just look at here. Observe this figure. It is a percentage bar graph. How you know? See, this is all the bars are at the height of 100. Can you see over here scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. It means this is a percentage bar graph. Yes. See, number 1, state the type of the bar graph. So we will say it is a percentage bar graph. How you understand? By all the bar heights it is up to the 100. And here written also it is percentage. It means it is a percentage bar graph. Number 2, how much percentage is the tur production to the total production in Ajita's farm? We have to focus on Ajita farm. How much percentage is the tur production? So here tur is we are showing with the filling box, and gram we are showing with the empty box. So in Ajita farm, how much percentage of tur production is 60. So the tur production is 60% here. Can you see over here in Ajita's farm tur production is 60%. Okay, now see third, compare the production of gram in the farm of Yash and Ravi, and state whose percentage of production is more and by how much. When more will come, we will subtract from bigger number minus smaller number. See, Yash and Ravi, we will keep our fingers on Yash and Ravi. Okay, then it is said gram. Gram means this empty. Can you see this empty? This is gram. So gram is how much? In Yash farm, the production of gram is how much? 50%. See, 50 is filled, 50 is remain. So 50% gram in Yash farm, and in Ravi, this tur is 70%. It means 30% gram. So we will say here gram production in Yash farm is 50. 50 is tur, 50 is gram. Here 70 of tur, it means 30 will be of gram. So gram production in Yash farm is 50% and in Ravi farm 30%. So 50% minus 30% is equals to 20%. So therefore we will write gram production in Yash farm is more by 20%. Yash 20% more gram is production. Okay. Now 4. Whose percentage production in tur is the least? Tur is representing by this filling box. Whose filling is least? This is least. Least means minimum, sabse kam. So Sudha. So we will say Sudha's percentage production in tur is the least. Is it clear? Now 5th one, state production percentage of tur and gram in Sudha's farm. We will focus on Sudha's farm only. We know Sudha's tur production is how much? 40. It means remaining is 60. Yes. So we will say the percentage production of tur in Sudha's farm is 40% and gram is 60%. I hope you understood how to solve this. question number 2 of practice set 11.3. Here we will just observe the figure. We will not draw. We will not draw the figure. We will observe and we will write the answers of the given questions. So I hope you understood here. Best of luck and thank you so much.